Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin, Master T-Tap Trainer, and are you looking for some 1-minute moves that you can do while you're doing other things, like being in your kitchen, cooking a meal for your family, or making your coffee? That's what this Kitchen Series stretch is all about. So here is another move that you can use and do in just a minute that is going to cinch you in. You're not going to believe how great this stretch feels. All right, let's get started. So I'm just going to stand with my side facing the kitchen sink today, and I'm going to put my feet about hip width apart. I'm going to take my outside arm and I'm going to put it across right here, kind of like a seat belt. Now, one of the things that happens is when you do this, this hip is going to tend to come forward with the arm. So you want to make sure that it's back. Your arm is just here. I might get a little bit closer because I'm kind of short. I got short arms. All right, this is what we're going to do. Take the inside arm and I want you to reach up. So you're stretching space from rib to hip. Reach up, and now with this hand, because it's holding you, allow yourself to let yourself hang to the side. The hip is going to go over towards the sink. Now, take this outside leg, just slide it out, slightly internally rotate it. In other words, the knee out towards the floor. Are you ready? Oh, here we go. You're going to do some little up and down lifts with the leg. Now, don't let the hip lift. It's just the leg. Now, cinch over a little more. As you are here, the body will start to lengthen in its side. How about if you bend this leg and straighten it? Do a little bend and straighten, stretch it out. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Now I'm going to flex the foot. I'm going to lean even more, keeping that hip there. I'm going to touch my toes, and I'm going to bring myself all the way up. Ooh, you aren't going to believe how deep that is. It's deep and it works. So that's just another great 1-minute move you can do. Of course, you'll have to turn around and do the other side on your own. Give this a try. Come back and comment. I can't wait to hear how much you love this side stretch. Thanks. Have a great day.